Preyo Phonie here. In this quick guide, I'll show you how to turn on auto call recording on your Android phone step by step. Want to save every phone call automatically without pressing any button? This simple setting will record your calls in the background. Steps. Step 1. Open the Settings app on your Android device. Scroll down and tap SIM and Network Settings. Step 2. Now scroll and look for Call Settings option. Tap it to open your calling preferences. Step 3. Find the auto call recording option in the list. This feature may appear differently depending on your phone model. Step 4. Switch on the auto record calls toggle button. Once enabled, all calls will be recorded automatically. Before we continue, subscribe now for more simple Android tricks and hidden features every week. Step 5. Make a test call to confirm it is working. Your device will now start recording calls automatically. Subscribe to Preyo Phonie for more easy Android tutorials and useful tech tips.